Foldable phones are finally making their presence felt in the smartphone world after some notable false starts last year. In February alone, 2 foldable devices have hit store shelves, Motorola's reimagined Razr and the Galaxy Z Flip. And we have the feeling that more will come throughout the year. In fact, everything seems to be folding these days. Microsoft's long-awaited Surface Duo folding phone is finally going on sale on September 10th. And we have a new video ad just in time for the release, which I will show you right now. But if you are new here and want to stay up to date about the latest tech reviews and news, please hit the subscribe followed by the bell. As you might have guessed, the star of the show is the 360-degree hinge, which offers all kinds of versatile setups. The focus here is on the sleek hardware and fluidity with which the hinge can operate. It can fold all the way back or stop at any angle you see fit for the task at hand. We also get to see what it's like to take an actual phone call on the device, and it looks a bit weird. You need to unfold the Duo all the way back, which will likely take some getting used to. The Microsoft Surface will start at $1,399 and will be available in 128 or 256 GB trims. It will be exclusive to the US at launch and will be offered through T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, as well as Microsoft's online store. That's the end of this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.